Yo champs! Subscribe now. 'Cause this one's gonna blow your mind. Ever heard your legs are the body's bigger engine? Yep, more leg muscle means your body burns calories even while you're chillin' on the couch. Here's the science fit fam, your TDEE, or Total Daily Energy Expenditure, is how many calories you burn in a day. More muscle equals higher TDEE equals faster metabolism. So grab your makeshift dumbbell and a band. Hit those squats. And keep that engine running, partner. Don't forget to hit like and comment below if you want more vids like this. See you on the next one, legends.